This is whose name are you?
Mandaw, hindi mo igara.
Whose name are you?
Di ko gusto malita mag dito.
Who are you?
Di ko gusto malita mag dito. Ano ba yun? Like,
Ito mo kita na ba
it's okay. Just like our shadow
Yeah.
to need to document. We don't need our face to show it off to them because, we don't know how.
You're only gathering
We
memories.
already
Yeah, we
a
just,
vivid picture to our
yeah.
mind. Inside our brain, we are. Yeah.
At least like guys, like if tomorrow that our voice record is already recognized and
Yes.
it has a clear voice recording, so we can hear all about our words or our speaking on how we are very
Actually,
very master on speaking on how to may deliver words from each other. Like
Yes.
for example,
Are you
well, I have here from Bachelor of Science in
wait. Musip na ko.
Shut up.
English.
Shut
We,
down.
I have here from a student from Bachelor of Science and English major. So I have here my in Tagalog word is pare, but which is we are using now English dialect is
You can
which
use
is
best
bro,
Bro.
and
Can use bro.
I have also my friend from
Yeah.
B.Ed also
We are from the
Bachelor of
same
Science in
school and we
Bachelor-
have the same course.
Bachelor of
Science.
Science in English major, and
Yes.
I have also here from
You can
agriculture
face.
major
Major in science.
major in Bachelor of Science major in agribusiness.
Yes.
And actually we have our
We have
queen,
someone
our
who-
queen in our side. We have our criminology student from Don Carlos Community State.
Polytechnic College.
Politics. I'm sorry. It is already politics. It is just a political technique.
Yeah.
So this shot is brought to you by Tanduay, and it is your
Yes.
shot.
I know this is
Lo,
my-
tika sana oy.
Yeah, you
Shut
have,
up, you're down.
You have a big grade.
This is
Can
me.
you use your flashlight to have
This
our
is
light
me.
here?
This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Tama na.
Like that. So our face is already clear.
This is
so-
mine and this is yours.
So like you and me got a whole lot of history. Oh, we can be the greatest team that the world has ever seen. You and me got a whole lot of history. Oh, so don't let it go. We can have some more. We can live forever. Yes, do they teach you?
Yeah.
This in school.
Yeah, yo.
Now heartbreaking and I don't know what to do. Thought we were going strong. Thought we were holding on. RP. You and me got a whole lot of history. Oh,
Yawa ako na
we
pabasa
can
man.
be the greatest team
Yaga.
that the world has ever
Asa
seen.
tagaya.
You and me got a whole lot of history.
Ama kayo ka istorya.
So don't let it go. We can live some more.
We can live together. You and me.
Tama.
Got a whole lot of history.
Kumusta na di na
Paumani.
Di mo na pre, kasana ganyan mo eh.
Kita.
Maro na yung gana daw. Ang gana mo, kitipatimanan pa na ako.
Kita. Sobra.
Di mo na mo na.
Lagi.
Di mo na puti
Let's start the new challenge. We have to use
Nakatana
language to communicate with each other.
Oh, wow.
So by the way, I am Vince Gabriel Pino Molina and I am currently studying at Quezon Institute of Technology. I'm taking Bachelor of Science in English. Bachelor of Science. Putang yet, Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. And yeah, I'm currently second year college.
Okay, so
You
next,
go first.
next.
You go next? Okay.
Without my
Sige now.
Speak, you speak.
last.
You speak
last.
it. and
Don't
you speak
shut
it.
down.
Last.
Oh,
Okay, so I am Mr. John Crisolan Dragulo. I am studying at Northern Bukidnon State College and
Buisit asa pa rin tagaya.
I'm Bachelor of Science, Business Administration major in Marketing Management, and I have my
So, have a pleasant day.
Huh? This-
night.
Nice.
Pleasant night, everyone. So, my name is JB.
Oh, thank you.
Very good.
Sata. Ikaw una ba? Ikaw una ba?
Ikaw una kay ano?
Sata.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
3. Ano na? Uno ko na.
Okay, okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
You know what's up?
Tuh, dia kita es kamera oh,
Okay,
kita
one.
video na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
It's a good day. A good day. Good night. Lagi good
Ay,
night.
Okay ra.
Ito to, 1, 2, take 2.
Okay ra gud kay ikaw na general.
1, 2, 3, go.
3 go.
Good day.
Oh, tuh.
Ay, yawa, pre.
Dugan tag batas.
One, no.
Pas mas ikaw ay. 1. Isa.
Ay, siglo ba? Kasuko ano mo?
1 2 3 go.
Kuya.
Sige na. Sa.
1, 2, 3, go.
So good day. I am Edel Planas, currently studying at Central Mindanao University, taking Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness.
Wow.
Wow.
And next,
By the way, my name is Vince Robel P. Durina, and I am currently second year, and I am currently studying at Quezon Institute of Technology. I am taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Education, major in English, and the next one is
I am Mr. John Crisolan Dragulo. I am studying at Northern Bukidnon State College. Taking a degree of business administration, taking up the lagi kan.
wala.
Usap.
go.
You want to 1, 2, 3, go.
Tiwas pa ninyo.
Usap. May mong
Ay,
nakita
pala ko ba? Sino dukod-dukod? Ya, wag mo na buk. Pero dukod-dukod.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, sabay. Ay, sabay. Dito, sabot.
Isa ka
Otra. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, up.
I am Edel Planas, currently studying at Central Mindanao University, taking Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness and Management, second year. Next is
Yeah. By the way, guys, I am Vince Robel P. Durina. I am taking Bachelor of Science in Education, major in English. I am currently studying at Quezon Institute of Technology, and I am a second year college. So next,
Okay, so I'm John Crisolan Dragulo.
Kasula ba
I'm
ni
studying. Haba, everybody's. Zap.
Ano yate? Ano ba yung trabaho?
Bakit ka?
Pagi ko niya alam ko premium.
Saba kayo.
Lipo na kayo ko ba?
1, 2, 3. Umusa. 1, 2, 3, up. Ay, sige.
Awan, wala na duwa.
Yung saba. Ay, yung saba. Saba. No. 1, 2, 3, up.
Ano ba yun?
Sila ako dito.
Yama.
1, 2, no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good day. I am Edel Planas, currently studying at Central Mindanao University, taking Bachelor of Science, major in Agribusiness and Management, second year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. My name is Vince Robel P. Durina, and I'm currently a student at Quezon Institute of Technology, and I am a second year.
Okay, so I'm John Crisolan Dragulo from Northern Bukidnon State College, and I am taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, second year
Student.
Okay. So, good evening everyone. So, my name is JB Loniangan. I'm currently living in Brookside, Liverpool. And I'm taking a Bachelor of Science Secondary Education, major in English. So, my thought in life is what is life is
Magic name.
you need to Nawa nakalimutan ko.
Mother's name.
Mother's name is Victoria Lonia.
Mother's name.
Father's name is Lonia. So, my...
Mama, papa's name.
Manak eh.
Ay, kuya's name.
Ay na. So, my quote in life when I'm still motivated is,
Bito.
so, you don't need to do perfect because you don't need
Dili sa ikat ito na tapos konta para kanang matag
sometimes kanina ba? Yan ba? Sometimes life doesn't give you what you want. Not because you don't deserve it, but because you don't deserve more.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
kamot ka yun.
So, okay. Naanatay mga
Maghatay quote,
final.
maghatay sa
Naanatay final. So,
isa, maghatay
atong
tag
introduce
isa.
atong outro self tas quote na rin.
Mag-quote.
One, two,
Malabal yung cellphone ako eh.
Ay,
Kalimot ako ba?
Sige, mag-quote. Wala usang quote. 1, 2, 3, start. Auto.
sige mo na.
Ikaw na.
One, two.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If you're feeling down, stand up.
Pangalan sa
Good naman ka mo. Bako magkatalag introduce itong
Pinakauna na gibuhat ba?
Oo,
The first stage that we
one.
do, like, we introduce our name, we introduce our school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 action.
Action.
Ako na.
Yes.
Sama na pre ay. Ito
Sabali, agli po nung si Duko-Duko. Ganyan na rin.
Street.
Katag kamutin mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hello everyone, this is G.B. Launiangan. I currently live in Process Libertad, Quezon, Bukidnon. I'm studying Quezon Institute and Technology, taking at Bachelor of Science and Secondary Educations. And hope you enjoy our video. And also, my quotes for today is, if you're feeling down, stand up. And the problem is always there, and you have to conquer this fear to achieve your goal. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so next is Mr. Jan Crisolan Dagulo from Northern Bukidnon State College, and but taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. And my quote is not all the time you need to win. Sometimes we need to face our lose and just keep on going. The life is just a win or lose, and we need to have to sacrifice for it. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, that's right. By the way, I am Vince Robel P. Dominina, and I am currently studying at I am currently residing at Balangay 1B, Pugasan, Quezon, Bukidnon. I am studying Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English at Quezon Institute of Technology, and I am second year. My quote for my life is, it is okay not to be okay. You have to embrace yourself that you are in a phase that you are struggling. Yes. You have to embrace yourself that everything has a challenge. And in order to conquer that is to face reality, that it is inevitable to face bad things in order to have an outcome that is fruitful. And yeah, thank you. I'm done.
I'm Metal Panas. Quote in life.
Wow.
It's okay not to be okay daw. It's okay.
Putang
Failure is part of success.
If
you're feeling down.
yourself first.
You are a step.
I have
It's a milestone.
Nakoy idea. What if mag-video ta and
Isa-isa.
natay isa dili all
Ah,
na
yagan.
kita lang tan natay
Natay ko gawa ni activities
ay
lang
ay
ni
suba
patani.
buisit mo ka natay message atong kagalingin, and we have to
Di
kanang
mo na pre, mo na
Hindi
mo.
ka mo magmahayan ito.
Yo mo. Uglaw oy.
we have to
Hindi naman mo. Ako'y gani rabi. Luyan niyo.
Chat sa lagi, di ka sa nuwi ko.
What's your idea? Like,
natay message atong kagalingin right now, and we have to preserve this video para makita na to puhon kung sa atong message, and if kanang message na to is natupad ba nato or what, is it okay?
sige. Pero doon lagi punta.
Kasi post ay
Dalago na, ikat na.
ayo kita kaya